All right, so hunt for a new truck here at Chevrolet. We've got a lot of options. We're gonna see all the different trim levels. Gray and white are treating me right this second. No fender liner, that's the first thing I'm seeing. That's not looking too hot. Ford over there, leather 5-liter is gonna be like $60,000 plus tax, 61, 65. Right here with the RST, we got a total MSRP at 53, so already looking a lot better. But we got cloth seats, which is not a huge thing. My 18 Silverado had cloth as well. As long as we got the center console, I'm pretty happy with it, because we're going to be putting seat covers anyways because I have dogs. Now, one thing I will notice, and I'm sorry if you have a Chevrolet truck, I'm about to wreck your life. Skip like 20 seconds so you don't hear this. Unless you get a pure white or black truck, this panel right here does not match the body, and that is one thing I'm looking at. This one's not that bad. It's just the way the color hits it different. You can see it right there. I'm sorry if I just ruined your truck for you, but the black and white ones don't do that. Basically my truck, but new body, white RST. That's going to be the Summit white. Let's see, 54. This is the 5.3 with the 8-speed, so a little hesitant on the 8-speed, honestly, because they're just not the best. I'm shooting for the 10-speed. That would be the best option, but I think you have to go with a higher trim or a 6.2, which hopefully we'll get to test drive that as well. But this is leather, so already starting out at about $10,000 less than the Ford with this truck right here. What's up?
We already got customer service.
We do already got customer service. Already, I'm sorry, I hate to do this, already crushing Ford over there. We had to find somebody. I know they were on lunch, but still, we already got help over here with Chevrolet. This is a mean looking truck. And then you got the bad boy, the Trail Boss. $54,000 after options, 5.3 with a 10-speed. So I do have some experience obviously with this. Y'all saw that on the channel. We got cloth seats in this one, so this is gonna be a lower trim Trail Boss, a little bit more than that guy. Maybe they'll have a high country we're gonna check out. We will see. I'm gonna go ask this guy what's up and hopefully get some information.
I thought we were bored. I used to explain and say, hey, well, we bored, but we hold our value.
High country. This is a Duramax. Got the peanut butter interior.
But you know, with the Chevrolet, now that's the Duramax there.
Yep, Duramax 10-speed, high country. Got the brown interior, looks insanely good. Gotcha, thank you.
I'll be right back.
It's gonna be a V8, so
okay.
I can.
Let me just let you try the high country.
That'll work.
If I found a 6.2, because inventory just, you know how that is.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
Fast we get a 6.2, I do have one the owner's driving.
I gotcha.
They like them too.
Right.
Everybody's,
yeah.
That's the one. It
right.
costs $2,500 more to get it.
Really?
Everybody want to know why it costs $2,500 more.
Right.
And when they drive it, they see why.
They know why.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna grab the keys to this one while y'all walk around.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
But it's very distinct. You can't miss it because it's got 6.2 on the hood.
Right. Gotcha.
You've never seen one before. You want like Duramax is there.
Right. Have 6 on the hood. Okay, thank you. It would be kind of cool to test drive the Duramax, but I know I'm not going to get the Duramax.
So is this a 1500 or 25?
Yeah, it's 15. They have a 3-liter, 3.0 Duramax.
What?
10-speed. Yep. We have predominantly Chevrolet channel, minus Larry, so we probably would want to stick with Chevy anyways. 5.3, 8-speed, 53. It's so freaking cold out here. If the camera's shaking, dude, I can't help it. I got the crew cab, or the short back door here. This gray treats me right though. All these are lower trim Trail Bosses though, because they don't have back fender liner. You can tell that immediately. Cloth seats, which is not the end of the world. 55, so 5.3, 10-speed. Nice truck. These are the 18s. The other one over there actually has 20-inch wheels on the white Trail Boss. Apparently they don't have a 6.2 here, which I was excited to test out one. That's what he was saying. The owner has a 6.2 and they say it's 100% worth the buy. But yeah, anyways, he's gonna go get one for I think the RST over there, and we'll hop in at 5.3, 8-speed, see how it compares. We just got out of the 5-liter Ford. All right guys, we're gonna check out this LTZ 5.3, 8-speed, I do believe. Yeah, 5.3, 8-speed, 56,000. We got a leather center. Oh, that's pretty sick. Got the Backup camera, sunroof.
It does have fun, but it's pretty slow.
So that's what you were talking about, gear.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
That's pretty
C8's
cool.
got them too.
Yeah, it's pretty sick. So we got some pretty awesome camera views.
That's crazy.
That is sick. Bed.
That's really, that's my favorite.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. So this has pretty much got everything in here.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
I could, I mean, LTZ is a real nice.
Got a little butt vibrate, letting them know.
You gotta walk behind you.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
That's pretty cool. I heard.
That was.
Yeah.
So this one is 2-wheel drive, but other than that, it looks like no dummy buttons. We got everything.
That was the last year they made the whole body style.
Yep. Yep, I had it for 3 years. I bought it December of 17, brand new, and had a guy offer me a bunch of money for it.
Oh yeah.
And so it got sold.
Exactly right.
Enjoying it as passengers is awesome. They got heated seats, everything.
Yeah.
Well, this right does have the rear heated seats.
Yeah, they do. About a good bit.
What's the room back there compared to the F-150?
I like it better, to be honest. There's not less. It's definitely the same.
Yeah, I do like the flat rather than the Ford's sweeping door.
Really?
Yeah.
I have no control.
Can't get over that rear view mirror. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy. I think you can like zoom in and out too. Brightness. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
The power's definitely there on the 5.3.
Yeah, I'd like to be able to. I'd like to romp on it somewhere if you know a good spot.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, well, I'll just wait till you get on the interstate up here
Okay.
and get on it. Just sometimes we'll be sitting up here.
Gotcha.
Blind area.
All right, let's give them a little room and see what this thing's got. Not too bad.
5 people in here. Chase.
Yeah, we got a lot of weight. A lot of weight.
Yeah, that do make a difference.
Yeah, that definitely. We got several 100 pounds extra. I was talking about Dylan. Me, don't worry about it.
Is it?
It's cooking you?
Everybody said
I'm gonna try out the
pretty good.
cooled seats real quick. See what. I know, but it's not during the summer. Gotta know. Oh, I feel them. Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're working.
Yeah, they're working a lot better than your vet. No
Oh,
offense.
thanks, appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's not. It wasn't that expensive.
It's only twice as much as this truck.
No,
He's got a C7 Z06.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
sweet.
that-
I love that body, man.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's sick. That's a
Cool
sick
seats
body.
suck, apparently.
It does?
They do compared to this. This thing had like a fan going on
Yeah,
me.
it should have got a service.
Don't buy it for the cool seats, man.
Yeah, it's totally different driving experience coming out of the Ford, getting into this right after it, but a lot of cool features in here for sure.
What was the shifter on the Ford? How did you shift? That's right.
You grabbed the front of it and pulled it back.
Using the console.
Right, console shift, which is I like, but also kills
takes
your
it.
storage.
Mhm.
Because Ram.
I don't think the Ford didn't have wireless charging in it. I don't think, unless I just overlooked it. It definitely didn't have that.
Of course, it's got Wi-Fi too as well. They may have it, may not.
Yeah,
I know, right?
yeah. Y'all have the biggest flag of the 3 dealerships. It looks like, so that's a
Oh,
plus.
yeah, that's actually antenna also as well. But we, you know, being sitting up on the hill and being our location on the interstate is just the appropriate thing to do.
Yeah, it looks good. So that's the test drive in the 5.3 8-speed LTZ 2-wheel drive. I think personally the Ford center stack is a little bit nicer, but This one's got sunroof, nice leather, cool rear view, $10,000 cheaper. Obviously this one's 2-wheel drive, so that's some money, but that's 56. The Trail Boss and stuff over there was like 54 for 4-wheel drive and everything, leather. I did enjoy that. That was nice. I'd like to drive a 6.2 with 5 people in here romping on it. You know, it felt all right. This one has a 10-speed, but I have experience with the 10-speed, so I know what it's like. It's definitely better than the 8-speed for sure. People complain about the 8-speed. Maybe it's fine, maybe the longevity's not there. I think most people talk about it being a little sluggish or jerky or rough or whatever, whereas the 10-speed's pretty much dialed out perfectly and working good. So I really would like a 10-speed. Most of these RSTs and 5.3s do come with the 8-speed, unfortunately though. So Trail Boss might be looking better because you can get 5.3 with a 10-speed, and this is 54, so a little bit cheaper than that High Country. And obviously this is 4-wheel drive, cloth seats, but you get the 10-speed, you get the lift, 2-inch lift factory, you get the cool Trail Boss name. Unfortunately, any other color aside from black, like down there, does have the black bumpers, which I prefer all color match like this RST, all whited out. But then again, if we did do a Trail Boss, then we would, you know, we could always paint the bumpers and stuff and then make it unique from all the other Trail Bosses, whereas this one pretty much is done as is. So a lot of thinking to do. That was a good test drive though. I did enjoy it. A lot of cool features. Don't know if I'd opt for the LTZ or potentially this Trail Boss, something like that. We're definitely going to test drive some more stuff because I got to get a 6.2 driving experience and see what that's about, because the 5.3 is a great engine, but I did have that in the last one, and in the sense of upgrading, it might be time to get the big engine from Chevrolet. Talk to him.
No, you ever let you do the talking for me, dog. I ain't good. That's my car. Just give me a car. You know, make sure you do that. Appreciate it.
There we are right here.
Yeah.
Let us go for a test drive in the LTZ and check out the truck. So this is in Bessemer, Alabama, Chevrolet.
Yep.
Come check them out.
Right there, Premiere Chevrolet. That's right.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, I think that's about it for Chevy. We're going to head over to Ram and see what Ram has to offer.